Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add captions to your featured images in WordPress step by step. If you've ever wished you could give your blog posts a bit more context, personality, or credit to your photographers, captions are a simple and powerful way to do it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add a caption directly to your featured image, making your posts more informative and visually engaging. Let's dive right in. The first thing we'll do is work inside the WordPress editor, which is where most of the magic happens when you're building a post or page. Now, every post or page in WordPress has a little section called Featured Image, usually tucked away in the right-hand sidebar. If you haven't spotted it before, just look for a thumbnail preview or a prompt to add an image. This featured image is what shows up at the top of your posts or as a thumbnail on your blog's main pages. To begin, click right into that Featured Image section. This opens up your media library, displaying all the images you've uploaded to your site so far. If you haven't uploaded your chosen photo yet, you can do that now by either dragging it over or clicking Upload Files. But for this tutorial, let's assume the image is already waiting for you in the library. Click on the image you want to use as your featured image. When you do that, WordPress will show you some attachment details on the right side. This is more than just a preview. It's where you can control important information about your image. Here, where captions come in, you'll see a caption field among these details. Go ahead and enter your desired text in that box. You can write something descriptive, like sunset over the city skyline, or maybe add a photo credit if someone else took the picture. Captions are great for explaining what your image is about or adding a touch of personality to your posts. Imagine your readers scrolling through. Sometimes a little context right below the image can be more engaging than you might think. If you're wondering, will this show up automatically on my site? The answer depends on your WordPress theme. Some themes display image captions perfectly under featured images, while others might not. So it's worth previewing your post to see how it looks. Don't worry if it's not quite right. You might just need a tweak to your theme settings or a plugin, but the caption will be saved for you. Now, once your caption text is in place, make sure you click that Select or Set Featured Image button. This step applies all the changes you've just made. It's kind of like snapping the photo into place. Without this step, WordPress won't update the featured image or remember your caption. Next, head back to your post or page editor. If you're ready to go live, click Update or Publish. If you're just testing things out, you can preview to see the caption in action. This lets you double-check how your caption will appear to your readers. And that's it. You've just enhanced your WordPress post with a featured image caption, making your content more professional and useful for your audience. If you run into any issues like your caption not showing up, don't panic. Drop a comment below and I or someone from the community will help you troubleshoot. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more practical WordPress tips. Got any questions or want to share your results? Just leave a comment. I love hearing how you use these features. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.